Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you this cool new AI tool called Opal. So what exactly is Opal? It's a
We have to
powerful
keep moving!
generative AI engine that can
Look
turn
out!
your
Get down!
ideas into smooth, high-quality videos. Whether you start with a simple text prompt, like a futuristic cyberpunk city in the rain, or you upload an image you want to animate, Opal can create videos that honestly look like they came from a professional studio. So guys, if you want to animate a pet video, product video, or product creative video, this tool is perfect for that. Now guys, even though video generation is free, it does have a daily limit. Once you hit that limit, you can just borrow an account from a friend and keep creating. And honestly, Opal is not just a video generator. You can also change backgrounds, swap faces, generate speech from text, and do so much more. If you've used Comfy UI before, you'll feel right at home because it uses nodes too. But the great thing is, Opal is way simpler and more beginner-friendly. You can easily build your own nodes. They also have a gallery packed with ready-made templates in different styles, from realistic 3D to beautiful artistic looks. You can just pick one and start from there. Alright guys, in this video, we're keeping it simple and focused. We'll only be generating videos from text and from images, so if you're ready, let's jump right in. Let's start. First, go to the website. Just type Opal into the search bar of any browser. Once you're there, sign in first. Then click Continue. Check the Select All checkbox and hit Continue again. If you get any error message, just hit Reload and it'll refresh the web page. Then just confirm. Here's the web page. In the gallery, there's a ton of templates you can try, like interior design, product marketing, and so much more. Feel free to explore here, guys, or I'll make a separate video just for that. But for now, let's generate our own. Click on the Create New option here. It'll open the Opal App Creator interface. This bar at the bottom is the command center. In technical terms, it's a natural language interface, but you can just think of it as your personal app architect. You can type your instructions or use the microphone to speak them. And it's not just for the first build. You'll use this same bar to ask for changes, add new features, or tweak your design until your app is perfect. Let's skip this for now, since our goal is to create a video from text or photo. Over here, click the Generate option. It'll open this page. This is the node editor, or the visual workflow canvas. If you're familiar with Comfy UI, it's almost the same workflow. On the right side, you've got the Properties panel. Head over to the Agent tab, click the drop-down arrow, and you'll see plenty of AI generators like Gemini 3 Plus, Gemini 3.1 Pro, Nano Banana, and Nano Banana Pro. But for this demo, let's use VO. This is where you type your prompt. In the advanced settings, you'll see different models available. Click the drop-down and let's select VO 3.1. For the aspect ratio, you can choose 16:9 or 9:16. We'll go with 16:9 for this one. Now for the prompt, let's type "a dog dancing in the park." Next, click the Preview tab and hit Start. The video generation will begin. I'll fast forward through it. The process usually takes about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Alright guys, our video is ready. Let's play it. Let's watch it in full screen. Check it out, it's so realistic. But guys, I noticed it can only generate up to 1280 by 720 resolution. The best part is you can download it without any watermark. Just click here to download the video. Now let's create a video from an image. Click the Use Input option. Once you do, a new node will be added. To connect it, simply click this small circle here and drag it to your first node. As you drag, you'll notice the node gets highlighted. Just release your mouse when it does. Now, you can see the connection. Next, click the Generate node. See that, everyone? The user input has been added right here. Now, click on the User Input node. Let's type in woman dancing with dog. We'll keep it simple and see what we get. In the advanced settings, click the drop-down and choose Image. You'll see plenty of options here: audio, text, upload file, and video. On the next video, we will try to use the other option here. Let's choose the image since we will generate video from image. Now, click Preview again and hit this refresh option. Then click Start. Once we click Start, it will ask us to upload an image. Just click the plus sign and the Upload from Device option will appear. Choose your preferred image. Then, let's generate. Click this button. If you run into this error message, simply redo the process and generate again. I intentionally included this error so I could show you exactly how to resolve it. But if you keep getting the same error after refreshing, it usually means you've already hit your daily limit. All right, guys, our image to video are ready. Let's watch it.
Good boy. So clever. Yes, keep going. You're doing it. Oh, wonderful. That's my clever
Wow,
boy.
look at this, guys. The video is really good. Opal really gives life to the image, and it looks very realistic. However, as you can see, the woman is not actually dancing. The previous generation didn't work correctly. Here's why. When I typed a woman dancing with a dog and then uploaded the image, it confused Opal. Once you upload a reference image, you should only type image or reference image in the user input node, not a full description. Because the flow wasn't set up properly, the generate node didn't read the user input correctly. That's why we didn't get the dancing animation we wanted. So now, I'm using a better prompt in the generate node. Animate the subject in user input to perform a dance with the dog. Did you notice? I put user input inside the double curly braces. This tells Opal to use the image from the user input node. All right, let's generate again and see if we get a better result this time. First, let's check the aspect ratio of this image. It's currently in 9:16 ratio. We're going to generate it in 16:9 ratio instead. So in the output node, I'll set the ratio to 16:9. All right, guys, let's take a look at our video.
Come on, dance with me.
Wow, it turned out really nice.
Follow
See how the
along.
woman is
So
dancing so
good.
gracefully, perfectly synced with the music and vocals.
Come on, dance with me. Woof woof.
Okay guys, it's time to download the video. You have two options. If you click here, you'll get the MP4 video file directly. If you click over here, you'll download a zip file that contains both the video and a markdown file. Now, let's check the output ratio. If the model gets our requested ratio, perfect. It gives us 1280 by 720, which is exactly 16:9 ratio. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope this simple tutorial helped you. In the next video, we're going to create our own custom workflow and actually use some of these samples in the gallery together. It's going to be super practical, so stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.